gunning it, but giving a little bit of a push, arriving very fast into Morecambe there and off and into the bales. The Ferrari 458 GT2 is off, and it's Heinz Swoboda who is at the wheel, and that is going to cause a stoppage. He arrived at Morecambe incredibly fast, and now he's in the bales.
Yeah, it's a deceptive corner. It's approached at high speed, and you come through a right-hand kink over a brow. You've got to get your braking done nice and early. But, the marshals will very quickly and efficiently clear that up. But round of applause and a cheer for the crowd as he emerges from the car, absolutely unscathed. Just a bit too hot over the brow into Morecambe, and it got away from him, and he's got it. It's got very, very sideways. Let's have a quick replay of that. We can show you that now because Heinz is absolutely fine. Yeah, he comes in, he turns in a bit too late and a bit too quick. He tries to correct it, but it's too late. It's gone.
It was just too much speed, wasn't it? You could see as we were watching it that he was arriving far too fast, and he made the apex and everything, but just
he's only showered the second layer of bales with the remnants of the first layer, so it hasn't made quite as much of a mess as I thought.
And the good news, relatively, is that he's in the 458 GT2. It's not super rare.